Hello my good people, welcome back to my channel. This is Ken Uchilo, and today I'm coming back to you at somewhere. It's a very hilly place called Kisumu. Yeah, I'm in Kisumu County, somewhere called Nyahera or Milimani. You can see it's kind of bushy, and also it's a hilly place. You can see there's a lot of hills, a lot of stones. It's a very pretty good place to be. Okay, now today I just want to show you something on how you can make a good gutter when you want to collect or to harvest your water. So I just want to show you how you can ensure all the water you are collecting are not going to waste, and also how you can make the system work nicely to make sure that when it rains, you maximize the use of the rainfalls and collect or harvest enough water into your tanks, and also pump it back to uh, into the system where you will use them for maybe in the washroom, in your kitchen, maybe wherever you like. But just want to show you how this system was made, and it's just something that anyone can borrow and also can make use of it. And yeah, it can really help. So stay around, and I just want to show you a bit of it. But for now, sorry for my voice. I had an issue with my voice recently. I had a food poison, and at the moment I'm well. I'm recovering well. It's almost cost my life, but I thank God I was helped in good time, and today I'm just well. I'm still under medication, but I can still now I can move, I can talk, though the voice is not recovered full, and the abdomen also I'm still feeling a bit of pain, but I'm well. So back to work. Enough talk. Let me show you what we have to see today, and discuss more later. So this is the house. I want to show you how this system was done. So let me come down. I was on the back of the house. Sorry. Um, as you can see, there's this system used. You can see how the gutter is used. It's made it coming all from this end, going towards the other end. When it reaches that corner, you can see there is a collection point where the gutter is, the water is now flowing down, right? But all of them, all this part of the house from the behind, all the water are running towards the other end. Let me just show you that in a bit. Here is it's not clean, so I have to be very careful. So yes, you can see how this is made. It comes all through from the other end. My friend here is hilly. These guys are really building on a rocky place. So a rocky place, as we are told in the Bible, it's not easy for the house to fall. So these are just rocks. They are built in the rock. You can see it's all rock all over. So what I'm interested in is this one. You see how the gutter is placed. All of them are running this way, and also this one. You see from this end, it's also coming all that way. So this is where the water is going down. You see it going down to the ground. So when it reaches the ground, it goes all the way to that tank. You see there's a pipe climbing the pump going onwards, and also from the other side there's also another one coming all through like that and going to that. So all the water will come all the way. They go. There's a T junction somewhere there. It's covered with the soil already. So they meet the water from the front door and the water from the back side of the house. They all gather at that point. Then the gravity, that force, will make the water to climb and get into the tank. It will just get to climb and then get into the tank. So the only issue with that, which I know most of you might also question, is when the pressure is low, then it means all the water in the system will not get into the tank. Yes, that's true. So in such a situation, what do you do? For you to clean the system, you have to give a provision for the cleaning, or the how do we call that? Not for the cleaning, or you have to give a provision for the service. So all the water which is remaining on the system when the pressure is now low, you will unlock the pipe. Then they will be poured out, so that they don't get stagnated in the system to give that smell or pollute the water, or pollute the water in the tank. So this is the starting point where it goes all the way to that end. So this one is from the back side of the house. Yeah, as I told you, this place is a bit of it's a rocky place, so you can see it's rocky. So they are just doing this just to make sure that the soil erosion is taken care of. But it's rocky all the way. You see, they're still trying to remove some stones to give the house a better room, like this one you are seeing there. And also, so this guy really saved a lot when he was working here, because with a lot of this kind of stones, you don't need to buy a lot of ballast. Like this one, the guy was just making them here, so they were just breaking this to turn into this. So whatever he and even in terms of of the steel, he didn't use a lot of steel because the place is rocky, so you don't need to place a lot of steels down on the ground. You only need this maybe when making the slabs, but on the ground you don't need a lot of steel. So you can see this kind of a person, if he tells you that this house he only use 5 million or 6 million, you can't compare that the person who built here with someone who is building in Nairobi, where you have to use a lot of steel on the ground, and also he make sure he's not buying the ballast, he's not buying this kind of stones for the backfillings or so. So it's actually different with someone who is working, and someone who is working somewhere maybe with a soft soil, where you have to use a lot of steels, you have to use a lot of money to buy the stones and everything else. So this, if you are in such a area, then you are more advantaged, and you will use more. You can save a lot in when you're constructing your house than any other person with the other areas. So back to where we were talking about. So you see, so this is also the side of the house. You see, there's also the starting point of that gutter. I hope you are seeing it. The starting point of that gutter. It goes all the way. It goes all the way. So let me come this side, and so that I can show you well. So you can see these areas, they are totally different with the other areas. There's stone everywhere, stone everywhere, stone everywhere. So this guy really saved a lot of money when he was building the house. And what I can tell you for sure, you can't compete with this guy, because when he tell you this one was less than 10 million, you will not agree with that. So you see how that one, the gutter is made. So at this point there is that exit. You see it's exiting down here. It comes down, it exits down here. So from here there is a pipe going all the way to the other end for where they will collect water. Let me show you again. So there is another one from this side. So you can see there is another gutter coming from down there. It's also coming down all the way. It's coming here. So there is a connector where the other one from that end will also come and meet this one, and then they will all come and meet here. So there is a T point here where that one, you see, the other one is coming also is meeting here. So from here the water will go to the tank. You see, it's going to the tank now. So after going to the tank, there is where they will do what? They will pump the water to the house. So they have two tanks. If that one is full, then there's another one here which also uses water. So when there is when the water is the rain has stopped and there is meaning there will be still a lot of water remaining on in the system. So what you do, you see, let me show you this. There's this system placed here. So this one is meant for you can call it for service, but it's not for service. So that when the water, there will be a lot of water because there will be less force to make sure that the water climbs the system there, climbs the system to the tank. So the stagnant water which will remain within the system, they will be released from this end. So you just open this, then the water in the system will just come out and pour, so that the system remains clean. When the rain comes again, it will also, the water will still flow to the tank, making sure that all the water getting into the tank are clean. There is no water which is terminated will be remain in the system or will get into the tank. So this kind of the system, I think it's a good one. You can really apply it. Yes. So this kind of system you can apply it to, it can also help you. So you make sure we only do this just to make sure that we give you information on how you can also get a better things to a better way of making that the life comes very easy for everyone. So when we get a new system, when we get a new idea, we share with everyone so that we not only few that will benefit from it, but a lot of us will benefit from it. So I think this will also help someone out there. You can share with your neighbors, share with your friends, so that they can also get the idea and also make sure that it works for you. So if maybe someone is interested, you can tell your fundi to apply that in your house. Or maybe if you need, I can also help you to do that. So yeah, so here we are in Kisumu City. You see, it's a place with a lot of stones, a lot of greens, a very good environment. Yeah, we are here for about a week or so. Here we mainly came this time around to do the cabinetry. We are doing the kitchen and also doing the wardrobe, and a bit of work in the kitchen, in the washrooms. I'll show you that around. The work is still going on. Its video will come later, but at the moment we are working on it. So we are here for about maybe today is Tuesday. Yes, so basically by Thursday we'll be out of here, and we'll share whatever we have done here with you guys and see. And let me show you around this area. I really like it. Yeah, so see, this is the hills. It's very rocky place. You can see everywhere there's hills, stones everywhere, and it's cool. It's kind of a cool area, nice climate, very green environment. And if you have a good plan like this guy, then you can make your area looks nice, because you can't imagine this is the whole of it is just stones, and he has just made sure that every steps they have created a field where they can rest, people can rest. Like you can see here, this is growing a lot of grass here, and he has made a step. And down here also he has made sure that there is a kitchen garden down there. But remember, the other side is just all these are just stones. All these are just stones. So after arranging all those stones like that, he made sure that he put uh, he made sure that there is those red soil, so that you can grow the vegetables and everything else. So you can see how that system is made. Let me also show you this. You can see this one. So here you can just simply rest here, and remember the down is all of it are just stones. So you can see this. So all of this, even the fence is done with stones. See that one? It's stone everywhere. Even here, they have also done a lot of a very good grass here, but it is just stone everywhere. So this is giving you just a simple way on how you can also do your landscaping, even when you are living on a rocky places. Even when you are living in a rocky places, you can still have a nice environment. So let me show you all this. So see how this one is, the walls are done. They are perfectly done. So you can't imagine these are all stones arranged here. But on top of it, there is a grass growing. There is a lot of greenery, vegetables and everything else coming up on that. So it's something that anyone can do as long as you have good plants, and this also help in soil erosion. So it will enable you to have peace, knowing that there is no water which can sweep away your house, your vegetables, your a lot of things that you might have, your animals. So just are making sure that they are arranged here like that. So you can see this, making use of all the material that you have in the compound. So on top of this, you can see we have greens there. Those are the vegetables they have grown there. They are a nice one. And on the down side, they have just arranged that one to make sure that there is no water will go away with all their properties. Yeah, so you can also use this kind of system. So I think this is a nice one, and we can borrow such ideas, and to make sure that even wherever we are, we can also have a nice environment for us, and making sure that we use the little opportunities that we have to work into our advantage. So until next, see you in the next one. Thank you.